Will I work with your medical providers? Yes, I will absolutely work with your medical providers. I've been doing this work now for 25 years and worked alongside many medical teams, sometimes online throughout the world, sometimes in person if you're on the East Coast of the United States. And the purpose of the work that we're doing together through the Mindful Remission program is to help patients tolerate treatment better, improve their immune function, help them maintain high quality of life, ultimately increase their odds of full recovery, right? And that's ultimately what this is all about. And I think we're very fortunate to live in a day and age where medicine is so robust. When new discoveries, new breakthroughs, if you will, are unfolding literally every day and helping to change the landscape of what's possible for patients. So yes, I have tremendous respect for your medical providers. I have a lot of respect for your treatment plan choice, right? Whatever you've chosen, whether it's medical or not. And if it's medical, I do want to say though that, your medical team job is to care for your physical body. And you have a job here as well. And that job is to care for you, the person living within this physical body. That's the kind of work that you'll be doing through the Mindful Remission program. It's designed to support you from within, if you will, help support you mentally, emotionally, even subconsciously, so that your body can respond more effectively to the medical care that you're receiving. I will say that you don't have to choose between medicine and mindset. From my perspective, you can benefit from both of these different approaches so that you can get the best possible outcome. You're the one in charge. I hope you make an informed decision and decide to integrate this kind of work into your treatment plan. I look forward to seeing you there.